Cyber warfare, IT vulnerabilities, and hacks are all over the headlines. Are you interested in securing our country and our community? Are you ready to hack your career? Have you ever considered a career in cybersecurity? Maybe you're just wondering, what is cybersecurity?
With technology integrated into nearly every aspect of our daily lives, there is a high demand for skills to secure our digital world. Cybersecurity is such a broad term that it encompasses even less technical, more knowledge-focused roles like risk analysis, compliance and auditing, and even data analytics.
Choosing a career in cybersecurity is a constant pursuit of knowledge. It's ever-evolving and will keep you on your toes. Some entry-level and junior-level roles don't require a college degree, but these jobs do require knowledge, even for non-technical roles. Knowledge you can pursue through educational institutions and free community resources.
Arizona boasts an established and growing cybersecurity community, complete with extensive resources. Check out our longer video for more details. You'll hear from cybersecurity professionals directly and learn about the extensive resources available to you. Resources like azcybertalent.com and the Arizona Cyber Warfare Range at azcwr.org. Want to learn more details?